Chaos reigns in Baltimore tonight as rescue teams work tirelessly to save lives in the aftermath of the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse. A container ship's collision with the bridge has plunged vehicles and construction workers into the icy waters below. In a press briefing, Baltimore Fire Chief James Wallace revealed the grim reality of the situation. 2 individuals have been rescued, but the search continues for potentially 7 more. Authorities have ruled out terrorism, focusing instead on the urgent rescue operation at hand. Against a backdrop of debris and uncertainty, brave responders from the Coast Guard, local police, and fire departments are risking their lives to reach survivors. Despite the challenges posed by the ship's explosion and treacherous conditions, their determination remains unwavering. Structural engineer Ian Firth provides insights into the possible cause of the collapse, suggesting a deviation from the ship's intended course. As investigations unfold, questions emerge regarding the bridge's structural integrity prior to the incident. With each passing moment, the race against time intensifies as the tide begins to rise. Governor Wes Moore's declaration of a state of emergency underscores the gravity of the situation, rallying resources to support affected communities. The Francis Scott Key Bridge, a vital lifeline for Baltimore, stands as a symbol of resilience and vulnerability. Constructed in 1977, its collapse serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilant maintenance and oversight. As we bear witness to the unfolding tragedy in Baltimore, our thoughts are with those impacted by this devastating event. Stay tuned to Prime News Network for ongoing coverage of this developing story.